This new AI project is launching its nodes, which you need to deploy on a PC for passive rewards. They already have active contracts with governments and institutions, and they have a fully doxed team. But these nodes are not public yet, but I've got exclusive whitelist spots for my community, which you won't find anywhere else. Stay tuned till the end of the video so I can share details with you on how you can get access to them. In this video, I'll go over what KIP protocol is and what it's trying to achieve. I'll go through the partnerships, the existing use cases, the roadmap, and the airdrop campaign. I'll go through how you can earn with the checker nodes, and finally I'll give you exclusive access to my whitelist sales, which you won't find anywhere else. I'll have links in the description of everything that I cover. That's it from me. Let's get straight into the video. Let's head into the KIP protocol website so we can learn more about this project and what it's trying to achieve. KIP protocol is hoping to be the decentralized base layer for AI, focusing on the three main stakeholders of AI. Those are the AI model owners. So for example, OpenAI is an example of a model owner. Those who are storing the data and the knowledge that these AI models are relying on. Those who are deploying AI apps relying on the model owners to deliver the services that they're hoping to achieve. So how exactly is KIP protocol hoping to service this environment? It's doing that by being the world's first decentralized RAG provider. Now, RAG simply stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. And what exactly is an RAG provider? Well, these are the railroads that are connecting app owners, AI model owners, and the data and knowledge owners. They are essential because AI model owners rely on them to get accurate information, secure information, and they are also utilized to monetize that information. And this is exactly what KIP protocol is trying to achieve. And they are building these virtual railroads focusing on security, accuracy of the data, and also monetization of that data. And there are a number of use cases where KIP protocol will be able to connect these different stakeholders for the benefit of the future of AI. So for example, in personal medical data, AI diagnostic apps can use confidential personal medical data, and they can use this RAG network to access that safely and securely. And the same goes for educators who can tokenize their textbooks and curricula, and these can then be used to train AI models. The same goes for the financial market, the legal market, the list goes on and on. Now, KIP protocol are not just focused on these data railroads or the RAG as I mentioned, but they're also building a number of other protocols. There'll be the opportunity for knowledge asset creation. These are the data points that you can show ownership for. They'll also have network verification. These are the checker nodes that we'll be talking about later in the video. There'll be revenue sharing, token grading, and they'll also be able to leverage on crowdfunding, which allows users of the network to actually seek funds and expand their AI products. So just to summarize, KIP protocol is hoping to leverage AI model owners, data owners, and AI app owners to be able to deploy their products on Web3, monetize that data, and then also show ownership of their intellectual data. And if you want to read more into KIP protocol, I'll put a link in the description to their white paper. And why is there momentum behind KIP protocol? Well, one of the reasons is that they are backed by a number of huge investors. You can see a few of them on the screen. One of them is Animoca Ventures. And Animoca are actually a venture capitalist firm focusing on Web3 projects. And as you can see, they have actually distributed over $100 million in funding to over 88 projects. And you can see KIP protocol is here on their website amongst some of the other projects that they have funded. And the benefit of that investment from Animoca means that they are opened up to the wider ecosystem of that VC network. And one benefit was their collaboration with Open Campus. Now, Open Campus is the world's first blockchain built for education. And KIP protocol actually partnered with them to build their AI network. And as you can see from the website, this collaboration involves building an AI-powered education material library. It involves establishing the infrastructure of the AI-powered Open Campus University, and also collaborating on ways of knowledge monetization. So there's already a use case with the KIP protocol. They also announced a huge partnership with Aether, which, as you know, is one of the largest AI crypto projects out at the moment. And they'll be responsible for some of the decentralized AI deployment, and Aether will be relying on that decentralized RAG framework that I mentioned earlier on in the video. Alongside powering Open Campus, they're also powering Meomate. This is going to onboard 3 million users for their character generation platform. And they're also powering a project called Kiply, which is focused on decentralized knowledge and property rights. They have a ton of other partnerships, and I'll put a link in the description if you want to read more about those. Now, let's move on to the roadmap the tokenomics, and the team. One of the other positives of this project is that they have a fully doxed team, and I've actually had meetings with some of the team members, and I know that they are legit. Their chief AI officer has extensive experience, and you can read more about her and her experience online. Having a project that is based out of Singapore, one of the growing hubs of the AI Web3 revolution, means that we know that this project is going to last long term. And having a look at their roadmap, we can see that they have achieved their objectives in the last quarter of the last year. And here, as we head into quarter 2 to quarter 4 of 2024, not only will they be launching their nodes, but they're also going to have their token generation at the end of the year, with mainnet next year and a tier 1 exchange hoping to be in 2025. And having a look at the tokenomics, we can see that 20% of the tokens are going to go to node operators. And as you know, I've got an exclusive access to a pre-sale of those nodes later on in the video. And right before I go into the nodes and how you can earn from them, now's an opportunity to tell you about their exclusive airdrop program, which is called the Uprising. It's a free airdrop campaign. You simply have to do a few tasks and you can earn points. And these points are expected to boost your earnings once this token's listed. I'll put a link to the airdrop in the description. Right, let's jump into the next section, which is learning about the checker nodes for this project. So how do you earn passive income from the KIP protocol project? Well, you do that by purchasing and deploying a checker node. And these nodes are responsible for the smooth running and the transfer of data and revenues in the KIP protocol. So once you purchase this node as an NFT, you'll then need to deploy that either on a physical PC or on a virtual PC. Now they have to run 24/7, and if they don't, you risk losing out on rewards. So that's why I always recommend you delegate this to a node as a service provider, and I'll have a link in the description of some of the ones that I use. And these checker nodes carry out functions on the server that are essential for the running of the KIP protocol. They monitor APIs by pushing out timestamps and making sure that they are checked. They monitor the server operations every 15 minutes. They check the execution of tasks that are taking place on the network. And the rewards for these nodes are quite exciting. 20% of the allocation goes to nodes holders. You get rewarded every 15 minutes and there's no cliff, which means that as soon as token generation happens, you'll immediately be able to withdraw your tokens. And then you can withdraw once every 30 days for as long as you like. You can transfer your node licenses 6 months after the TGE. And the other exciting thing is that there is a bonus for early adopters. So if you purchase in my closed presale, you'll be one of the first users of these nodes, and so you'll get access to extra rewards. And now there's only ever going to be 50,000 nodes for sale, and they're not all available to the public. For example, I've got exclusive access to tiers 4 to tier 8, starting at $532, making their way through to $779. These are not available for the general public. It's expected once this project goes to the public that they'll be sold from tier 9 onwards. Now remember, you earn more when there are less number of nodes online. So according to this estimation, if there are 1,000 nodes online, you'll be allocated 55,000 tokens in the first month, and so on and so forth. You can play around with this and change what the expected token is going to be and the number of nodes that will be online, and you'll be able to estimate how much your daily, monthly, and yearly earnings are going to be. So how do you get hold of one of these checker nodes? Let me take you to my exclusive node presale page. So this is the part that you've been waiting for, how to get exclusive whitelist access for the KIP protocol node sale. Now these node tiers are not available anywhere else. They're exclusive to our community. So thank you for supporting this channel. And before I explain any further, why not subscribe to the channel? It'll give you more access to exclusive opportunities like this one here. Now purchases have to be made in the USDT on the Arbitrum chain. All you have to do is first connect your wallet and make sure that you are on the Arbitrum network and you've got the right amount of funds in USDT in that network. Now I've got 100 slots for each tier. Let's go on the lowest price tier, $532 for tier 4. Now you want to enter the referral code #passivecrypto to make this eligible. It should be automatically applied. Add the number of nodes that you want. Make sure you have USDT in the Arbitrum chain, and you're going to want to click pay. It will sign a few authorizations in the wallet, and that's it. Your order has been recorded. You'll then be able to claim this node NFT from the nodes portal once it goes live. I'll do follow-up videos on how you can claim these nodes from the portal, and also how you can delegate them to another service provider if you don't want to run them yourself. But for now, it's important just to place your order and get them at these exclusive rates. That's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoy this exclusive opportunity. And if you like projects like this, why not check out this project here, which is a similar project that only has a few nodes remaining. Right, that's it from me. I'll catch you in the next video.